History in the heart of Izmir, Agora, ancient city. In the very center of Izmir, there is a historical treasure hidden in modern life, Agora, ancient city. This impressive structure, which has survived from the Roman period to the present day, sheds light on Izmir's thousands of years of history. Izmir Agora was rebuilt in the 2nd century AD by the order of Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius. In fact, this area, which dates back to earlier periods, was one of the most important centers of trade, law, and social life in the ancient city of Smyrna. Agora attracts attention with its wide column galleries, aqueducts, and stonework. Especially the giant arches and columned roads reflect the architecture of the period in the best way. In Agora, which was the center of the city's commercial and political life, merchants, administrators, and the public would come together, and the pulse of the city would beat here. One of the most impressive parts of the Agora is the still working water system. Aqueducts, which are wonderful examples of Roman engineering, have survived for thousands of years. Even today, it is possible to see water flowing from ancient fountains. The Agora has been unearthed through excavations since the beginning of the 20th century. Every day, archaeologists discover new artifacts and obtain important clues about Smyrna's past. Today, it welcomes visitors as one of the most important open-air museums in Izmir. While visiting the Agora, you feel like you are walking through history. As you walk between the columns, imagining the daily lives of the people who lived here in ancient times allows you to build a bridge between the past and the present. Magnifying glass tilted left, why should you visit? Asterisk, to witness the ancient history of Izmir. Asterisk, to closely examine Roman architecture. Asterisk, to travel back in time in the city center. If you come to Izmir, be sure to visit the ancient city of Agora. Classical building sparkles. See you in another Izmir discovery. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Thumbs up movie camera.